Hi everyone, welcome to a book unboxing video. I have my coffee with me and we'll now start with the unboxing of the books from the great Indian sale of Amazon and Flipkart. The first book that we have is Can't Quarantine Our Love by Sudeep Nagarkar. I've always been wanting to read books by him, and this was the time that I could finally have my hands on it, and I'll surely write the review down and post a nice picture or a video of this. The second book that we have is Nine Rules to Conquer Death. It is a self-help book, and the ones who know me already know that I am a fan of self-help books and romance, so this is a book that I had to buy. The third one is Devil's Daughter by Vidhi Mukherjee. It is a memoir. This was a case that happened in Delhi a few years back, and one of my friends suggested that I should read this one, so I bought it for myself, and a review would be up soon for sure. The fourth book that we have is It Has No Name. This one had this beautiful cover, and I just had to buy it. Also, it is a book based on gay relationship. Next one that we have is A Silent Place. I actually bought it because of the beautiful cover that it has, and it also had a poetry written on it, which I'll definitely let you all know once I review it. Coffee time. Even you should have your coffee while reading or writing anything down. Next one that we have is the terrible, horrible, very bad, good news. I participated in a giveaway sort of thing, and we had to give each other gifts without telling our names. So this one was a book that I received. The next one that we have is Mirror, and this is about a girl who is fat, and it focuses on body shaming issues, etc. And I really wanted to read this one because of the beautiful cover again and the intriguing story that it has. So, yes. The next one that we have is When the Night Agrees to Speak to Me. This is actually a book which was originally written in French, and another speciality of this book is that one page is in French and the to the right side is written in English. So the next book that we have is Lemons on a Plate. This is a book that had a really nice cover, and it was actually very cheap. It was, I guess, only 15 or 17 rupees, and this is a book in a series. I'll have to read about it a little more so that I can tell you guys what this book is all about. Next one that we have is The Girl in the Red Lipstick. Who doesn't know about this book? This was, I don't know if it still is, but it was a bestseller when it came out, and it's written by Ajay Kumar Pandey. I read a book by him and ended up crying the whole night. So yeah, I really wanted to give this one a read, and let's hop on to the next one. The next one that we have is She Friend Zone My Love by Sudeep Nagarkar. Again, second book by him. I really wanted to try reading from all of these authors, mainly focusing on Sudeep and Ajay, because these are really good authors, but I haven't read much of their work, so I actually wanted to try them out. The next one is actually a review copy, The Wheeler of the Trishul, and it is a book one in the whole series. The last one is a book that I was waiting for a long time. It is called It Follows You. It is a horror story which I think I'll be reading this weekend because it's Halloween this weekend. Next one is Kuch Ishq Kiya Kuch Kaam Kiya by Piyush Mishra. I've actually listened to some of his poetries and shairis, and I really wanted to have this book with me, so I bought it. Next one is A Little Princess. This book goes years back, and I didn't know about it at all. But yeah, I really wanted to see this one, read this one for myself. And that's it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I'll buy more books and can show you the whole collection someday. Till then, please like and share this video, and I'll see you next time.